In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your work and create a project on Behance so you can showcase your creative portfolio with the world. Whether you're an artist, designer, or photographer, sharing your work effectively on platforms like Behance can open up more opportunities and reach a wider audience. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Behance account on your desktop. Once you're on your profile page, look for the option that says Share Your Work and then click on Project. Alternatively, you might see a button that says Create a Project right on your profile page. Clicking either of these will take you to the project creation area where the magic happens. Now that you're in the project workspace, it's time to start uploading and arranging your work. Behance makes this process smooth by allowing you to drag and drop images, text, and embedded media directly into the project window. You can even import your work directly from Lightroom if that's where your digital creations are stored. Behance supports a variety of file types, including JPEG, PNG, GIFs, and videos. If you have other types of media, you can embed them as well. Rearranging your content is straightforward too. Simply click and drag the elements within the canvas until you're satisfied with the layout. As you make changes, you can preview your layout live, giving you a chance to see how it will appear to others before you finalize it. Once your content is arranged to your liking, you need to add some project details before publishing. Start with a captivating cover image that represents your project accurately. Next, give your project a compelling title that draws viewers in. You'll also need to specify the creative field or fields that best describe your work, such as illustration, graphic design, or any other area that fits. Adding tags can help others find your project more easily, so be sure to include relevant ones. If you used specific tools or software in your project, list them out. This can provide insight into your creative process. Don't forget to include credits for any co-creators or contributors. Lastly, write a project description that explains your concept, the process you went through, the tools you used, and any challenges you faced along the way. This additional context can really enhance the viewer's appreciation and understanding of your work. With all that information in place, you have one final decision to make. Save your project as a draft or publish it for the world to see. If you need more time to review or consider your work, click Save to keep it as a draft. Just remember that Behance doesn't autosave, so be sure to manually save your progress regularly. If you're ready to share your creative endeavor, hit Publish, and your project will appear immediately on your profile under the Work section. And that's it. You're now ready to share your creative project on Behance, bringing it to the attention of a global audience. Take the time to ensure each element of your project reflects your vision and artistic voice. Happy sharing!